Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harida. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe to this channel, comment, share, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for supporting the channel. So today guys, I'll be talking about the Nature Secret lotion. I've done a review about the face cream. Today I'll be talking about the lotion. So guys, the one I have here with me is the carrot lotion. This lotion has, I think, about 3 varieties. It has the carrot, the gold, and the argan oil. That's the 3 I've seen so far. Am I correct? Leave a comment for me down there if they have other ones. So guys, this is the lotion here with me. It is the Nature Secret Carrot Tea. I hope I got that right. Nature Secret Carrot Tea. Okay, it's written here in English. Most of the things here are written in French. So this is the lightening moisturizer body lotion with carrot oil, and I don't want you guys to be with what is on this picture here. This dark, and then they have this lightening, kind of a brighter look here. I would say it's a brighter look because it doesn't really lighten up the skin. It lightens up it doesn't really lighten up the skin. It just gives you that brightening effect. That's all I got with this lotion. So this is how it is here inside. Comes in this orange bottle, the 350 ml. The 350 ml. So guys, I've been using this lotion for a while now, and it's been okay. It's just there, but I was thinking it's a lightening lotion. I think it will still lighten if you're patient with it. So this is just one bottle I've used. I think when you keep using it, you start seeing the lightening effect. But for now, all I got was just the brightening effect, or just a brightening effect from this one bottle of lotion. I still have some here, but not much, just a little there. So guys, let's see what this lotion has, because whenever I see all this kind of lotion, like, I won't lie to you, I was kind of skeptical at first. I was kind of scared buying this lotion because I don't know what I'm seeing. I'm seeing black and I'm seeing white. I'm not looking to whiten my skin or anything, but looking at the ingredient list, and I see that there's none of the ingredients there would really whiten up the skin unless it's hidden. But I want to believe that it's plain, because what you have here is just let me write it again. Okay, here it has lots of ingredients down here, but looking at it just to look out official, the one that lightens up the skin, I did not really find. Okay, what I found there was just Arbutine, which is great natural skin lightening agent. So it has Arbutine, it has carrot oil, it has salicylic acid as well. That means if you want to use this salicylic acid, it helps more if you have pimples and hyperpigmentation. But guys, I bought this, and if you see here on the pack, it shows that you can use it on your face as well. But I tried it, but I didn't like the effects it was giving me. Not like it wasn't giving me any bad effects, but it was just my face was not that fresh again. Unlike the face cream, I think I've done a review about the face cream. Yeah, if you've not seen the video, you can please go check it out. Unlike the face cream, which will help smoothing your face, clear dark spots, even if you have any pimples, it's drying up. Like, the face cream is really doing it, but this one, applying it on my face, I didn't really like the effects of it. And you know, it's not really good to apply but I think they want to apply your body on your face. But why they say you can use it on your face, I think it's because of the salicylic acid it contains, which help with pimples and hyperpigmentation and all that. So if you want to try it, I don't know, have you tried this lotion before? How is it on you? Do you use it on your face? It's for face and body. Do you use it on your face? Let me just know. Leave a comment for me in the comment section down below. I really want to know how it is on your skin. So for me, I tried it on my face for like a week, but I stopped using it on my face. So I just like, okay, since I still have the face cream, and the face cream is okay for me, it's giving me everything it's supposed to give, I said, okay, let me just use it just from my body down. I use the face cream for my neck, face and neck. So I just use this one just on my body. So guys, the lotion has been great so far. It's been good, it's been nice. Like, one thing I love about the lotion, it doesn't cause any dark knuckles. I have dark elbow, nail and elbow, but this has really helped in blending it out to match with my skin tone you get. So it just helps blend your skin tone, just blend it in a nice way without any discoloration or any Coke and Fanta, whatever. Because looking at these pictures here, you might even be scared of buying it. You'll be like, I don't want to do. You might be like me at first. I was like, this thing should not come and whiten up my skin. But looking at the ingredients, it's nothing like that. No ingredients here can whiten your skin just like they are doing here. If the first picture is even okay, like this first picture here, if you see this picture where all you did for the lady was just, you know, normal glow. That is what the lotion will do for you. But I've not tried the gold one or the argan one. But if you're dark skin, you don't want to brighten up your skin or anything, I think you should go for the argan, the one with argan oil. Yeah, the one with argan. I think I have the oil here. This is how the argan one is. So they have this argan. I also have this I also have the carrot oil here. So why I bought this carrots, why I bought the oil was, before I started using this lotion, I just got just the oil. So I think I'm going to talk about it in a different video. So let me not make this one too long. So I also have the soap as well. Yeah, I also have the soap. But that soap, watch out for it because it's kind of, yeah. So this is how it is. It's nice, but I don't think I'll be buying it again because if you follow me for a while now, you know I have stretch marks. I have stretch marks on my arm here. Not but this lotion is, I've used what's it called? I used Dr. Teal's. Why using Dr. Teal's? It was just there. It was just normal. It was just glowing the skin. But this one is making not obvious like what Medix did to me, but it was just making the stretch mark more visible. I think it's lightening that part, and it's, you know, when you're the lotion lightens up the skin well. That's with continuous usage, you will see the lightening effect. But I think it's one lotion I will recommend for if anybody just called me and said, please, I'm looking for a lotion that is just nice. This lotion is really, really nice. But I don't know if I'll buy it again for now. But let's see how it goes. I still have some here and I'm still enjoying it. No complaints so far. Still have some. It's quite still much though. I use it just at night though. I use this one I use it day, morning and night. Yeah, morning and night. And remember guys, you have to wear your sunscreen if you're using this lotion. Again, if you want to see the effects, like the results pretty fast, you have to scrub your skin. Scrub your skin very well. And you can also try the soap, but the soap is kind of tricky. This is the soap here. You can also get these two, and this one too also have, for the one of argan, it also have argan soap. Yeah, it has argan soap as well, and the gold one too has its own soap. So this one is for the carrots. Yeah, for the carrots. So guys, what else? So this is just my experience using this lotion. It's okay, but some people must have used it and they don't like the effects on them. That doesn't mean the lotion is not good. It's just that it is not for their skin type. So let me know in the comment section if you're using this lotion and how it is on your skin. For me, no downside yet. No downside at all. Like, all my skin is blended, like head to toe, everything is blended. Like, some parts of my body really were darker, just like my elbow. I have darker elbows before, darker nails. Everything is just blending together, rhyming with my skin tone. So guys, I think I'll end it here. If you've watched up to this point, okay, let me just tell you guys what it says here, but most of it is written in French though. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's made in France. Okay, wait. Oh, it's written in French, guys. I can't read that. Let me not come and bite my tongue here. It's written in French, but I think it's made in Abidjan. That's Côte d'Ivoire. Ivory Coast in English, Côte d'Ivoire in French. Yeah, I got that one right. So it's a nature's secret carrot. Nature's secret carrot due to nature's secret carrot due to carrot oil and snail slime. Yeah, it has snail slime. I think that's what they put this thing here. You know, snail slime is really very fine on the skin. It's really good on the skin. Snail slime brightens tired skin tones. Revolutionary. It will very quick fade your spots. This is the way they write English. You know Cote d'Ivoire is not an English speaking country, so just take it, accept it for them. It will very quickly fade your spots and actively combat emerging hyperpigmentation. Designed after years of research. Wow, the product is really nice. Really, it's nice, a nice one. Designed, that means they really took their time to formulate this product. Designed after years of research, this final formula seduces 100% of our panel. 10 days after daily use, 8 out of 10 women believe their skin is brighter, softer, and better hydrated. I think that's true. Yeah, it's true. After 20 days of use, 99% of users confirm that their complexion is lighter, even, and radiant. Yeah, I will give it to that. Like this cream, I don't have any complaint. This lotion, no complaint at all. It will brighten up your skin with continuous usage. If you want to lighten up your skin, it will do that. So far I always got just one shade lighter, but with continuous usage I believe it will lighten up the skin more. So let me know in the comment section, do you have any, what do you have to say about this lotion? It's out there, and why I love this lotion is that it's not expensive. I was even scared at first. This lotion that is promising all these things and is selling for this price, are you sure it will work? Are you sure it will not come and spoil my skin? I don't want anything that will spoil my skin, no. As I am now, I just want a healthy skin glow. And guys, this lotion, the lotion I bought for 13,000, 15,000, did not do what this lotion is doing for me. Like those lotions, they'll just be giving me one kind of reaction like that. But this lotion is just 2,500. I wonder how much they were selling it before the dollar rate went high. 2,500. I think everybody should be able to afford this. And I like how they did the lotion, very affordable. So it's very affordable. Anybody can afford this lotion, and it will give you what you're looking for. It might not be fast. It's a natural product, so you have to be patient with it. Okay, so guys, if you've watched up to this point and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, join the family, like this video, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.